Alright, you stupid zombies. I want you to meet our new recruit, all the way from Egypt, Raw Zombie. Hello, it is a pleasure to meet you. Hi there, sup? He'll be helping us get the brains from those annoying plants. But, Kid Zombie, there aren't that many of us today. I know, but I still believe we can win. We're gonna have a couple pole vaulting zombies here today, too. Yeah! And if all else fails, I'm gonna use my secret weapon. Ooh, can you tell me what the secret weapon is? If I told you, it wouldn't be much of a secret, would it? No, exactly. Alright, let's head out and get those brains. Coming! Woo! Yeah. Alright guys, get ready. The wave of zombies should be approaching any minute. Don't you worry about me, mate. I got this.
Yeah, I just wish I knew when the zombies were coming.
Wait, I think I see him over there. Alright, Coney, call it out. You got it, Head Zombie. Not so big wave of zombies approaching. Alright, guys and girl, here they come. Incoming! Hey, there's baby lines, mate. I got mate. Ha, got him. Oh boy, here comes some more. Where is the sun? I need its energy to make me stronger.
I got this one, guys. Yeah.
Foolish sunflower. Your attacks make me feel so much stronger. Sunblast! Yeah!
Owie.
Sunflower, no! Oh, you're gonna pay for that. Ouch! Owie! Ouch! That'll teach you. Oh, don't look down, mates. We're going up a pole vaulting zombie. You better watch out. Here I come.
I got this one, guys.
I don't think so. Yay!
He went right over me. He's heading for the entrance.
Ah, yes, I did it. I wouldn't celebrate too soon. Oops! No! Oh, owie!
Hey, guys, I'm back. I'm okay.
Ah, Sunflower, thank goodness you're safe. Oh no, here comes Coney. Hey, here's your pal Coney, coming right at ya. How's it going, Plush? Oh god, guys, I think this is it for me. Oh no. Gulp? Yummy. You're next, pea shooter. Oh no, you don't. Ha. Owie. Oh, you guys are useless. Fine, I'll do it myself. Yeah, right, Purple Nurple. What are you gonna do? That's Head Zombie to you. I hate Purple Nurple. Anyway, just you wait. Activate the secret weapon. How do you like me now, huh? With this new bucket I designed, I'll be invincible to your attacks. Oh, jeez. Okay, guys, we gotta give him everything we got. All right, go. Don't gotta tell me twice, mate. Yeah. Haha, that barely tickles. Yeah. Oh no, mate. No, this is not for me, mate. Gulp. You guys are next.
Oh no! Yeah. What do we do, pea shooter?
Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. Haha, this is the end for you two. All I have to do is eat you guys, and I finally win. Haha. Actually, I wouldn't be too sure about that. We have a secret weapon of our own. Huh? And what would that be? I'll show you. Oh, jalapeno! Wait, jalapeno?
Hey! Jalapeno time! Yeah!
No! Oh, my face, it burns. Haha, yes, we did it! Good job, jalapeno.
Yeah, no problem, amigos. That's what jalapeno is for. Yay!
Stupid. This isn't the end, pea shooter. We'll be back, stronger than ever, and way more zombies than before. Just you wait. Alright, see ya, Head Zombie. Well, I guess we win.
Yeah, let's go inside. It's getting really hot outside.
Sounds good to me.
Hey guys, wait for jalapeno. Hey!